Hi, my name is Pawan Phande and I would like to welcome you to Sketchup Kitchen Design. Sketchup is the most intuitive way to design, document and communicate your ideas in 3D. In this course, we will sketch an existing kitchen, model it in 3D and then proceed to remodel it in SketchUp. No prior 3D modeling experience is required. In the end, I will have a new 3D kitchen that you could present to your local cabinet maker, who would be able to install the real thing in your home. After you tackle the example project, you will able to redesign your own kitchen with confidence. We will add to you knowledge step by step with topics such as basic modeling skill, using layers, groups, components, finding ready-made models in the 3D warehouse and showing off your 3D model with style, scenes, shadows and more. So let's get started with the SketchUp kitchen design.